Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video I thought I'd share with you some very amateur tree surgery. Well, actually, in fact, I think I'm overselling that a bit. All I really am is some guy with an electric chainsaw on the end of a long pole. But anyway, that aside, I did have this tree which was leaning very dangerously over into next door, and after some recent high winds, thought it was about time I gave it some of my attention. And just in case you're wondering, I did check beforehand that there was no one the other side of the fence. Oh, and if you're wondering if I managed to sustain any injuries or break the fence, then just watch the end and see how it went. And it never ceases to amaze me just how much bigger trees and their branches look when on the ground. And well, that was that, although I did have to pick up the bits of the tree that had gone next door. Please like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you again soon, back on the channel with some more videos.